Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. In another video, I show you how to do the same thing for Mac operating system. All you need to do is go to code.visualstudio.com. By the way, Visual Studio Code is source code editor developed by Microsoft. It is free. I did test a lot of source code editors, and this seems to be the best one and easy to use, very intuitive. So we're going to go and download for Windows. And you can save as on your desktop, for example. Okay, let's go ahead and save it. And in fact, we are all done. Double click on Visual Studio Code. Accept the agreement. Pick the location. Next. Let's create a desktop icon and install. And let's wait until it is done and basically finish. And then we can get rid of the installation file. Okay, so this is the Visual Studio Code. This is the screen that will come. This is exactly the same screen that comes on Mac OS, by the way. It's pretty nice. And I'm gonna get rid of this because we don't need this anymore. All we want is the shortcut there. Well, I'm gonna go and create a folder on my desktop. This is gonna be my working folder. I will say learning. And then in Visual Studio, just get rid of this and go to Explorer and say open folder. And then let's go ahead and okay, let's go to desktop, learning folder, select folder. It's going to bring our working folder on the left and then our workspace on the right. I'm gonna go and say create new file. Let's say test.java. Click on it, it's gonna bring it here. Of course, since you are running this for the first time, it may ask certain add-ons. So it's going to install it. You can wait for a while. And when it is done, you can close, okay, extra files. And let's go ahead and type our program right here. Okay, pay attention with the messages. If it wants to exclude Visual Studio Code Java project setting files, class path, and just say never. And enable this, and here public class. As you see, this is a color-coded nice text editor. When I have left brace, it gives the right brace, and it has autocomplete and public static, okay, void main string args. Again, when I have left brace right here, it has right brace there. And then I can go ahead and put my code system.out.println, for example. Hello, TSU students. When I have double quote, it has closing double quote, and then I am all done. I save. In order to run it, I mean, you can just go ahead and say run, just like this. Allow access for the first time. And it's going to run TSU, hello TSU students. Okay, we can close this. I prefer that you bring a terminal. When you bring the terminal, it's going to bring the command line prompt right here. so that you can compile it the way you want, test.java, for example, because it's going to directly go to your learning folder. You don't have to do change directory, and you can compile, and then you can run right here. This is how I prefer you to do it, instead of going to run and run it from there. Again, on the left-hand side, okay, you're going to, if you go here, you're gonna see that you're in the learning folder. You have test.java. After you compiled, go here, it created what? Test.class file for you. And this is where you type your code, you write your code, and this is the terminal. So everything is so nice. Your working directory, your workspace, and also your terminal to run the program. From this point on, I mean, you can easily use Visual Studio Code. And I hope you enjoyed the video.